Right, welcome back. Uh, because my ATV has a Yamaha Yog screw engine and it is modified with a 75cc cylinder kit, I have ordered some new parts just for fun to see if I can make it go a bit better. So yeah, I have bought this intake and I have bought a new reed valve here, carbon. So yeah, that will be interesting. And I have ordered a new carburetor, so that will be interesting to see if it works as good as it looks. Yeah, gonna try to change that, and yeah, we'll see if it works. Right, out with the old one. Yeah, in with the new one. Let's see here. Yeah, there you see that. Now I'm gonna try to put this on. Like that. Now it's just to change the carburetor and then ready for a test run. So now it's on. Oh, yeah, right. Let's see if it starts.